Okay, hello everyone. This is Lewis for Meteor One. I found this really interesting information or this research. The credit goes to I'm not going to say his name is, but I'll put some links in the bottom of the description over here. But it's called the SOPR. So let's take a look. So introducing the spend output profit ratio. So the SOPR is a very simple indicator. It's calculated from the spent output. It's the realized value divided by the value at creation of the output, or simply price sold by price paid. So how I understand it is, so if you send a transaction, and let's say the transaction value, or at the time that I sent the transaction, by the time it got received, if the price is in the positive, then it will show you a positive result. But if the price is in the negative or lower than what it was when you sent it, then it would show as a negative. So what it says is, when the SORP is more than 1, that means, okay, so it means that the owner of the spend outputs are in profit when the time of the transaction. Otherwise, they are at a loss. Okay. By plotting the SORP of all spend outputs combined, aggregated by the day, whichever was spent, the graph is produced. Really interesting. So one being the median, you can see it has a chart. I'll show you later. So there are several interesting observations that can be made from the chart above. First of all, the SRP appears to oscillate between the numbers 1. Secondly, during a bull market, values of the SOPR below are rejected by 1. Like as soon as people are semi-profitable or profitable, they would sell, and they would be too scared to take a loss. While during a bear market, the value of the SOPR above 1 are rejected. Therefore, the SOPR oscillator could serve as a reliable marker for identifying local tops and local bottoms, like you can see over here. So in this wild phase after the blow of top, it's not really useful, but since we get a first rejection, you can kind of see that we're in a bear market, second rejection, third rejection, and then when we pass the medium or the 1 and find support on it, you can kind of say that we are then in a bull market, bull uptrend. Very interesting stuff. Okay, so in a bear market, everyone's selling or waiting for the break-even point to sell. When the SOPR is close or greater than 1, people start to sell even more as they reach the break-even. So, but really interesting stuff. I'll put the link down there. Just final note, interesting things to notice. The SOPR suggests that the bull run is starting right now. I saw on his Twitter that we went below recently. This is recorded on the 2nd of May. Recently we went below the 1, but sometimes, yeah. Okay, the SOPR also suggests that capitulation in 2018 was, technically speaking, pretty nasty, and yes, there was pain. Some traders say before capitulation means pain, maximum pain to the maximum amount of people before we can start the uptrend. So I'll put the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Interesting stuff.